So I have created the database, the id, name, and the file is there. Now what I'll do, I'll just go here in the code, that is app. Here I'll write if request dot method is equals to post. Then what you have to do, first I have taken first text box, that is name, from the bracket write name. I've taken the name. Okay, so I have to write here a name, name, and here for the here it is, you have to write the file. Okay, so for submit nothing is there, just you have to leave like that only. Go here, name you have written. Next is what, I'll just put this drag here. Okay, so here next is file. File is equals to request dot files, files in that file file. Okay, so I have taken these two things. Now what I'll do, I'll just go here in the Google and I'll write Flask upload file, Flask upload file. I'll just go here in the uploading files, that is file documentation. Here it is already written. Just you have to copy this import OS is there, you have to copy this one and paste here. Next is what, this is for secure file, just copy this one, paste it here, done. Next, upload folder is there. What you have to do, you have to create one folder, new folder, that is in the static. What I'll do, I'll create a new folder and I'll put a name for that, that is upload. So this is the upload folder, and what is the path of that? So in command prompt we'll get to know what is the path of that. Okay, so here my desktop is there, the file is there, in that cd static I'll put, and after that upload. Okay, so this is the path which we have to copy it. Okay, so where it went, this is the path, we have to copy this, press enter and go here, that is here, select, okay, go here and put it here, that is the path, copy this one, this one, copy this one, go down, paste it here, and this path whichever whatever we have copied now, cut that and paste it here. Means whatever you upload the file, it will go directly here in the upload folder. So here now, next is this slash, make it as a forward slash, actually it was a backward slash. So I have done like this, save the file. Next, so this what it will do, when you upload the file, it will allow tx text file, pdf file, png, jpg, jpeg, gif files. If you want any different files like mp4, mp3, you can put here. Next is what, you have to use this one, because we have used already the app, Flask name is already there. You have to use the next one, that is upload folder. Go down here, it's everything is written, it will check the extension. Means this function is used to allow the extensions means what, pdf, this, it will check everything, whether these we have uploaded this file or no, this format of file or no. To check that, it will see this one. Okay, so next is what, if file, this one, this much, not this much, I think so, only you have to select this one, only these 3 lines, no, not, it doesn't require this all, only just select these 3 lines and paste it here, where, go here and paste it here. Just a minute, because you have to check the indentation. Later on it will start complaining that indentation is not correct, this is not, that is not. Okay, so everything is done. Now what you have to do, we have to put this in a database. So I'll create cur, that is cursor is equals to mysql db dot cursor. Okay, so cursor dot execute that what is that, insert into the table name is info, insert into info, in the bracket columns are name and file, name comma file, values the bracket %s comma %s, this %s. Okay, so now comma in this bracket you have to write the file name comma the file which you are referencing, not file, you have to use the file name. This is the name and this is the file. What it is doing, it is taking that file, it is checking whether this extension is allowed or not, and if the extension is allowed, it is renaming with the, and it is checking whether the file is secured or no, if the file is corrupted or not. To check that, it will use secure file name. So after that we have to consider this one, not this, not this file, we have to consider this file name here. So after this what I will do, I will use the commit. Commit means what, it will save the file. So after that I will close the cursor, then return redirect URL for index, return redirect URL for index. So now what I'll do, I'll run once again, I'll go here, I'll come outside of this and then app.py. Let's check whether the file will go or no, the PDF file will be saved in the database. Refresh it, give the file name, choose any one of the file, I'll select this one, that is the PDF, open it, submit it. Now check whether it is there or not in this, in the database. Okay, the file has been uploaded, and we need to check here also in the upload file. Yes, it is there, see. Okay, so like this we have to upload the file. So after uploading the file, it is our duty to display the file. To display the file, I'll move to the next video and I will tell you how to display the file. So right now, thank you.